All right, I want to find the equation in standard form. Standard form is ax plus by equals c. So all I'm given is 2 points. So let's start with finding the slope. So the slope m. Well, if I label my players x1, y1, x2, y2, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is my slope formula, which you'll have on your formula sheet. I take and I plug in my players, -1, then -3 over 2 minus a -1. So this gives me -4 on top, negative and negative make a positive on bottom. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, now, my suggestion would be to run with the point slope. Why? Because at this point, we have a point. You can pick either one of those two, and we have a slope. You could use the slope-intercept form if you're just gung-ho about doing this and then solve for b. But since you've already got the slope and you've got a point, I don't see why you would want to do any extra work. Okay, so y minus y1 equals m and then x minus x1. So let's plug it in. So I have y minus 3 equals -4/3 x minus a -1. So I have y minus 3 equals -4/3 x plus, plus 1. You need to work inside the parentheses first. All right, so make positive, negative, negative, make a positive in here. Let's distribute this through, and then we'll take care of the fraction. So I have y minus 3 equals -4/3 x, and then -4/3, okay? So with this form here, we don't want fractions. How do we get rid of fractions? Well, it looks like 3 is the only thing annoying me, so I'm going to multiply everything by 3. So if I do that, this becomes 3y, this becomes -9. Now the 3's cancel here and I get -4x. And then the 3's cancel here and I get -4. Alright, so it looks like I want my x's and my y's on one side and my numbers on the other. So let's move 4x over. Okay, so I have 4x plus 3y minus 9 equals -4. Now I need to move this number. So +9 plus 9. So I have 4x plus 3y equals +5. Yay! So we got our variables on one side, and then I've got equal to some constant on the other side, and there's no fractions. So that's standard form.